Hey everyone, welcome back. If Fingerprint or Face ID is not working in the ING app, this is usually caused by security or device settings. First, make sure that your biometric login is enabled inside the ING app settings. Next, go to your phone settings, search for Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode, and then make sure that your fingerprint or face ID is working properly for your device. Remove any old fingerprints or face and data and set them up again to refresh biometric recognition. Restart your phone and open the ING app again. If the issue continues, turn off biometric login in the app, sign in using your password, and then re-enable biometrics. Make sure your phone's operating system and ING app are both updated to the latest version. Head over to your app store, search for the ING Australia Banking, and then make sure to update your app. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. If nothing works, long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete app. After deleting your app, go to the app store, search for the app and reinstall it. Log in and set up biometric login again from scratch. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.